Do we have another giveaway today? Oh, you bet we do, because it is the 12 days of giveaways, and today is from Fatty15. Nerdy do-gooder, I like it, I'll take it. Guys, this supplement has been a game changer for me. I have done a video on this. I started taking it last February, and I feel like women especially, and moving into perimenopause and menopause, we take a whack of supplements and we don't know what it's doing for us, if we feel any different. And this one, I noticed a difference. It was the only supplement that I've taken in a long time that I could say, wow, I'm actually feeling different. I was sleeping better. I found my exercise recovery was better. It was just like an enhanced state of wellness. So one of you is going to win a 3-month supply of Fatty15. And what's really cool, when you get your first 3-month supply, you get this glass bottle, and then you get just the 3 packs, and you just refill your bottle. Super easy. So you're going to want to go over to Fatty15, have a look at their site, learn about the benefits. It improves cellular functioning, heart health, liver health, mitochondrial functioning, metabolic functioning. So go learn about Fatty15, and also hop over to their account, give them a like, a follow, and thank them for providing this prize. Okay, get your entries in, and good luck.